So the crypto market is down, so what's next, right? So right now, Ethereum, Bitcoin is down 4% today. Right now, entry point, my personal entry point to get into Bitcoin would be right now where it's touching the 9-day moving average. I personally feel like that's a personal good entry point to get into Bitcoin. Now, let's say if it breaks the 9-day moving average, my next level of support or my next personal entry point, I would personally get in around the 54,000 level. And if it breaks the 54,000 level, my next entry point would be around, let's see, around 52,000. And if it breaks 52,000, I would my next price target would be 49,105. And so if you look at it on the weekly chart, right? If, Bitcoin does decide to touch the 50-day moving average, that's my if Bitcoin decides to touch the 50-day moving average, that would probably be my next entry point as well. And then Ethereum right now, if you look at it on the daily chart, you can see that since August 8th, 2024, right? Ethereum's just been getting rejected by the 9-day moving average. It got rejected on August 8th, August 9th. It tried breaking it on August 10th, but it couldn't. And then today, it got rejected like super bad by the 9-day moving average. And so what's my next level of support or my next entry point to get into Ethereum? My next personal entry point to get into Ethereum would be around the 2,300 level. And if, Ethereum breaks that level, my next support level would be around the 2,100, the 2,100 level. That would be my next, personal entry point around the 2,100 area. Now, if you look at it on the weekly chart, if you look at Ethereum, right, on the weekly chart, you can see that, earlier this week, right, Ethereum tried, maintaining itself around the 50-day moving average, but it broke that, it broke the 50-day moving average. And so right now, right, my next support level or my next personal entry point to get into Ethereum would be around the 180-day moving average. Now, let's say Ethereum breaks the 180-day moving average, right? I would personally get in on when, Ethereum approaches the 200-day moving average. And so right now, how would I approach this, how would I approach the market right now, the crypto market, right? And so my answer to that is by dollar cost averaging, right? So what is dollar cost averaging? It's an approach to purchasing an investment in which the buyer spreads out their purchases so that the total price paid is less affected by market timing. And so basically, for example, right? Let's say I bought Ethereum all the way up here, right? At the 3,900 level, right? And let's say Ethereum decides to crash down all the way where it's at right now, 2,500, right? So if I bought a little bit of Ethereum where it's at right now, right? My average cost of 3,900 wouldn't be at 3,900 anymore. It would probably be more like around 3,700 or 3,500. So basically, if I was patient and I bought, Ethereum, around like where it's at right now, 2,500, my cost of 3,900 wouldn't be 3,900 anymore. It would be, now like maybe 3,500 or 3,700, right? I'm pretty sure the math is wrong, but it's somewhere around there. And if I keep, buying, Ethereum as it keeps going lower and lower, it'll bring my average cost down from 3,900 all the way to possibly, if I keep buying Ethereum, right, all the way to 2,500. And so if you look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart right now, right? You can see in 2016, Bitcoin halved and it went up. 2020, Bitcoin halved, it went up. Right now, this year, 2024, Bitcoin halved, and I'm pretty sure by the end of this year, Bitcoin could see a rally, right? Do I know to what number? Not really, but my price prediction could be around either the 70,000 level or possibly a new all-time high of 80,000, but no one really knows that for sure, right? And so also, if you look at the overall market, right, the stock market, you can see that where is SPY? SPY and along with crypto, right? On August 5th, right? The stock and the crypto market did crash, right? And SPY touched all the way to 510, right? And then but when this week ended, right, it literally erased all of the losses that that SPY was down. And so basically on Friday, right, SPY finished at 532. So imagine the difference where it was at Monday, 510, to where it ended on Friday, right? On 532. It ended at 532, right? And if you take a look at this thing called the VIX, right? Where is it? Okay. So on August 5th, right, when the market crashed, right? I should explain what is the VIX. Basically, the VIX is a volatility indicator. And basically, the VIX measures the volatility in the market. And so basically, when the market crashed on, August 5th on a Monday, right? The VIX was up 64.90%. And so when, VIX was up, that day, the stock market was down. And then you can see right now, the VIX broke the 9-day moving average, right? And so the next thing that I'm looking out for is to see if the VIX bounces off the 20-day moving average, then we could possibly see the overall market, be a little volatile. Or I could say, I personally feel like if the VIX bounces off the 20-day moving average, then possibly the market could see a little bit more downside. Now, let's say, the VIX breaks the 20-day moving average, then, we could see the stock market and the crypto market rally to the upside. But I will keep an eye out for the VIX. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the overall stock market and crypto market. Basically right now, crypto market overall. Yeah, so the growth, if you look at this website called coinmarketcap.com, right? The global crypto market is down 3.86%. So right now the crypto market isn't looking so good right now, but overall I feel like if if I were to, start, let's say like investing into the crypto or stock market, I would personally use this strategy, dollar cost averaging, because in the long term, right? I'm personally a long-term holder. I don't want to sell out, because I really believe that Bitcoin could be a huge thing, and some stocks, are pretty good out there, right? Too, right? But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.